Hey there, I'm HVAC Repair Guy. I spent 17 years in the field as a service technician after working as an electrician in nuclear power. Over those years, I've installed, serviced, and diagnosed many residential gas packs, rooftop units, and slab mounts. They call me when the salesman is long gone, the warranty is getting older, and the equipment has to perform in the heat of summer and the dead of winter. Today we are looking at two entry-level packaged gas furnaces, the Arcoaire PGB4 and the American Standard Silver 13.4 Model 4 YCY5. They sit outside your home, burn natural gas or propane to keep you warm, and use electric cooling to keep you comfortable in July. But once you look past the badging and examine how these cabinets are actually built, there are important trade-offs you need to know before spending your hard-earned money. Most homeowners start this search by asking about efficiency, but in my experience, that is only part of the puzzle. What really matters is what you will spend owning, servicing, and maintaining this equipment over the next 15 or 20 years. If we look at the raw numbers, both of these units deliver a 13.4 SEER rating for cooling and an 81% AFUE rating for heating. So what does that actually mean for your wallet? AFUE tells you how much of the gas you buy turns into usable heat. At 81%, 81 cents of every dollar goes into warming your home, while 19 cents exits through the exhaust pipe. SEER works the same way for electricity during cooling season. Because both units share these identical baseline efficiency scores, you will not see any meaningful difference on your monthly utility bills between the two. They both run single-stage compressors, single-stage gas valves, and standard single-speed blower motors. That keeps the design simple, but it also means they run at full power whenever the thermostat calls for heat or AC. Since efficiency and internal controls are identical, the biggest physical difference comes down to outdoor coil protection. The American Standard Silver 13.4 comes built with full louvered steel side panels surrounding the outdoor condenser coil. The Arcoaire PGB4 uses an open wire coil guard setup, so why should you care about stamped louvered metal versus open wire? The outdoor coil is full of thin aluminum fins that transfer heat out of your refrigerant. Stamped metal louvers act like armor plate. They protect those fragile coil fins from flying rocks kicked up by lawnmowers, hailstorms, stray basketballs, and curious pets. Open wire guards let airflow pass easily, but they leave those delicate fins exposed to direct impacts. Bended or squashed fins block air, force the compressor to work harder, and lower your cooling performance over time. Now, let's talk about the warranty safety net, because here the tables turn in favor of Arcoaire. American Standard covers their Silver 13.4 with a solid 10-year parts warranty and a 20-year heat exchanger warranty. Arcoaire matches that 10-year parts warranty, but they back the PGB4 with a lifetime heat exchanger warranty, plus a 3-year unit replacement warranty. So what does that mean in real life? If the heat exchanger or major compressor fails within those first 3 years on the Arcoaire, they do not just send a repair part, they replace the entire outdoor packaged unit. That is a substantial peace of mind bonus for an entry-level gas pack. What the brochure will not tell you is that installation quality matters far more than the name stamped on the cabinet access door. When looking at current market pricing, the equipment cost alone for these 3-ton baseline gas packs sits between $4,800 and $5,800. The Arcoaire PGB4 lists around $5,190 to $5,770 for the unit itself. The American Standard Silver 13.4 equipment pricing ranges from $4,810 to $6,450 depending on the distributor. Once you factor in professional labor, permits, and duct transitions, total installed costs for either system typically range between $7,000 and $10,000. Arcoaire gives you that extra unit replacement warranty coverage up front, while American Standard carries a slight equipment premium for its superior louvered cabinet protection and long-standing build reputation. If it were my house, I would lean toward the American Standard Silver 13.4. In 17 years of fixing equipment, I have straightened far too many flattened coil fins on open wire units. That extra physical cabinet protection gives you better long-term reliability in real-world outdoor conditions, even if it costs a few extra dollars on day one.